Hello everyone, it's Mr. Grammar, and today I will show you how to ace an exam. Look, acing an exam is easier said than done. I understand. However, I want you to think about this. Someone has already aced that exam before you. Therefore, you are equally capable of acing that same exam as well. Here I compiled a list of tips that will help you ace your next exam. Before the exam, study thoroughly beforehand. This is an obvious one. But you need to study. There is an abundance of resources on that very test that you are about to take. Look over videos, flashcards, notes, read your textbook, do anything you have to do to prepare. Make sure to not leave any stone unturned. Take multiple practice tests. If there aren't practice tests that you can take for that specific test or your specific instructor, that's fine. There is an abundance of practice exams out there for you to work through. Get ample rest. Make sure you get your 8 hours of sleep or how many ever hours of sleep you need in order for you to function on test day. Eat a nutritious meal. Eat a meal that will keep you full and satisfied. Stretch and relax. Look, I know exam day will be a stressful day. However, you have to keep yourself composed so that you can focus your entire energy on this test. During the exam, scan the test. Keep track of the time. Make sure you use your time wisely. Use a pencil and highlighter to annotate. These are your tools that will help you do well on test day. Use them wisely. Answer the easy questions first, also known as pick the low-hanging fruit. Make sure you get through the easy questions, the ones you are 99% comfortable about, that you're confident about, and focus your energy on the difficult ones afterwards. So go for all the low-hanging apples, and then you can focus your energy on the difficult apples to pick. In other words, save the difficult math problem for the end or the essay for the very end. So once you pick all of your low-hanging apples, answer the skipped questions. Look, test taking is an art. So if you are taking a multiple choice test, here are some tips to follow. Use process of elimination. Cross out extreme answers. Beware of trap answers. Trap answers are answers that look like the right answer, but they're not completely the right answer. So beware. Look for the best answer. Guess strategically if necessary. Look, the best answer might not be the most ideal answer, okay? But the best answer is the right answer. That's why it is important to take multiple practice tests so you know what answer choices to look for. During the test, remain calm and alert. Like I said, it's easier said than done, but if you're able to take practice tests, then you are able to get into that situation. Figure out how you will feel so you can be successful on test day. Finally, carefully review the answers before the test ends or the time ends. So here, make sure every minute is valuable on your test day. Make sure to review your low hanging fruits that you picked and also the difficult problems that you saved for the end. Do not let any minute go to waste.